We now have a statement written by Greater Manchester Police. Greater Manchester Police have said, "What has happened at the Trafford Centre is believed to have been done on purpose." Whilst riots have started to end in cities across the country, Manchester, Liverpool and London are still the main locations where riots are taking place. We order everyone who had plans to go to the Trafford Centre to cancel them. The Trafford Centre will also close down for a couple weeks to repair any damages aside the damages in the car park.
Currently, there is only 6 cities in the UK that are experiencing rioting, which are London, Manchester, Liverpool, Glasgow, Belfast and Cardiff. The Belfast, Cardiff and Glasgow riots seem to be coming to an end. However, it seems the riots in London, Manchester and Liverpool will go on for some extra days. 17,000 police will be getting deployed all across London. 1,000 police will be deployed in both Liverpool and Manchester. And before we go to ITV Evening News, we will have a minute silence for our beloved Prime Minister David Cameron.
Next up on 4, it is your favourite show filmed in Liverpool, Hollyoaks.